This is one of the most fairy tale-like villages on Earth. This is Ferolio in Ticino, Switzerland. Located in Val Bavona, it's only inhabited during the summer due to its lack of electricity. Without it, the colder months would be quite challenging. The village is known for its stunning 110-meter waterfall and is a serene spot to visit in spring, offering a less crowded experience compared to summer. Just a 50-minute drive away lies Lavertezzo in Verzasca Valley, known for the Ponte dei Salti double-arched bridge. This medieval bridge, dating back to the 17th century, was rebuilt in 1960 after the right arch was destroyed in a flood in 1868. To reach Ferolio, you can easily drive, take a bus from Locarno, or even cycle there. The village's primitive lifestyle without electricity gives visitors a glimpse into a simpler way of living amidst stunning natural beauty. What hidden gems have you discovered